Gridlife is everything that's good about the car culture community. It is a reason to gather, to enjoy music, time attack, drifting, car show, all of it. It is amazing, and if you've never been and you're into cars, you're missing out.
When I was just a track,
events of the year, always. This year we didn't come with a drift car, which is the first time ever. We did bring the Formula Super, which we are competing with Time Attack, and having a blast just learning this thing and trying to do discipline. So hopefully the goal is to always get the car slightly better and hopefully get me slightly more comfortable and better in the car.
To me, it's like just one big party. It's the best racing competition there is in the US. It's the most fun you can have in a weekend. I heard about Gridlife through that dude in blue. I just heard him talking about Forza Horizon in real life, and that is the most apt description for Gridlife that I can think of.
Is the best possible thing for me to go and shake this car down. I'm home, I'm in Michigan, and everybody has been so supportive. The environment here is just absolutely amazing because I can even leave stuff out that would get stolen anywhere else, especially in California. But out here, everybody is just here to have fun, and so don't think about the influencers or the YouTubers or whatever. It's the average person here, which isn't average at all. Everybody here is just badass.